Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
With Lincoln certified pre-owned vehicles, you can rest assured that you're getting a vehicle you can count on. All Lincoln certified vehicles go through a thorough inspection by factory trained technicians and come with a comprehensive warranty. And just to ease your mind, they also provide 24/7 roadside assistance. Check out your local Lincoln dealer today to find out all the other benefits buying a Lincoln